Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 4 on Xbox. First, let's get you set up. You'll want to install the game, either digitally from the Xbox store or using a disc. Make sure your Xbox has plenty of room, as the game requires about 70 gigabytes of storage. Connecting to Xbox Live is also key for accessing all the online features and keeping your game updated. It's a smooth process to get started, and soon you'll be ready to hit the open road. Once you're in, the core of Forza Horizon 4 is all about driving and exploration. You'll want to get comfortable with the controls for accelerating, braking, and steering your vehicle. The game features an expansive open world, roughly 100 square kilometers, just waiting to be discovered. As you drive, you'll encounter numerous races and challenges, all set against the backdrop of 4 dynamic seasons that completely change the landscape and driving conditions. As you play, you'll naturally progress and unlock exciting new content. Earning credits and influence is crucial, which you achieve by completing races, stunts, and other activities. These rewards allow you to purchase and upgrade from a massive collection of over 450 different cars. Customization is a huge part of the fun. You can personalize your vehicles with custom paint jobs, unique liveries, and a wide array of performance parts to truly make them your own. Forza Horizon 4 truly shines with its vibrant online and community features. You can jump into online races and events, competing with up to 72 other players in a shared world. If you're looking for a more social experience, consider creating or joining a club to connect with like-minded automotive enthusiasts. Don't forget to participate in the dynamic Forzathon live events, which offer unique rewards and a fantastic way to engage with the broader community.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.